Hello guys and welcome back to another SVRJ video. My name is Om and today I'm going to show you how to create a basic website using HTML and CSS. No JavaScript used and only HTML CSS is used, and also only a small percent of viewers who have watched our videos have actually subscribed. If you end up liking this video, please consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind. So enjoy the video. Alright, so let's start with of course the first command, which is the doc.type HTML. I'm going to go to all the basics so that it will be also clear for you. And then we have to go with the HTML tags and the head tag. And here we'll give it a title. You can name it anything you want. I will name it my blank website. So this is going to be a pretty basic website, not much, but later on in the future I will make a better one. We will see on how to make a better one using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. So as you can see, we've got the title on. Now let's go ahead and go in the body. Let's go in H1 and here we'll put a line. This equals to center. Okay, so inside this field you can type anything like, let's see, my website. Okay. Go here and reload. I don't want to reload, so I will just use the line extension. Okay, right, this is my line extension. Okay, so we have got the title and also the heading. Now the next thing we'll do is, of course, we will try to put more paragraphs and some links. So first of all, let's go with the nav bar. Okay, so we will and we will add one link, but first we need to make the files like about.html. Okay, and we have just going to make index, which is going to be the home tab and only the about tab, nothing. So here we will So here I'm going to take a link, and inside that I'm going to add a paragraph, and in which I'm going to add a reference, which is going to be about.html. No, sorry, index.html. Alright, and here we'll add home. So now if we check, so we have got the home, and apart from that, let's just let this be links. Alright, so we have got the home, and let's also align this to the center. Align center. Okay, so now we can see we have got the home tag. Home, and again we will not be able to. We don't need to make another paragraph. So let's just go ahead and make another a tag here. We will type here a reference. And guys, I'll make more HTML tutorials in the future so that you will understand what I am doing. Okay. Here we will type about. Okay, so we're pretty much done for this part. Yes. So now you can see that They both are here. I want its border to be I said I want it space to be with 4. So just what I can do is class class, and I'm gonna put ML is equals to 5. Basically, ML means the margin of the left. So, wait, sorry, I think I messed up. Oh, I know. So now the thing we can do is, instead of using the class, we can just use this a new type of thing to use for spacing called an NBSP. So here we'll take that, and if we type here NBSP like that, and if we go here, then you can see there is a bit spacing in between that, and there is no, and we see that. Let me explain this a bit more in detail. So if suppose I just type something randomly here like SVRJ kids, so you will now see that it's in between, but an NBC is a command for spacing. So let's go ahead and put that. Okay, so now we have got a bit more spacing. I'll just add one more. You can add multiple, not only one. Okay, that should be enough. So now we have got the nav bar too, but this text is looking very ugly. So let's go ahead and the head again, and we will use the style tag. And here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type body font family. I can put it to anything. Font family. Yes. Let's use this one. So now you can see that it's in way better text. Okay. So now the next thing we can do is we can add a bit more to the home here, and now what we can do is we can just make like a huge paragraph here. It will be the lorem ipsum, of course, the nonsense text. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and add a paragraph here, and we'll just go ahead with lorem. One more. Add 5 to this, like get a lot of text. That should be enough. So now, as you can see, we have got a huge paragraph here, but it also kind of feels bad that we don't get anything more here. So let's just go ahead and add we'll add something in between here. Let me think what we can add. We can add something. Let's go ahead and see what we can. It's like the author and everything we can add here. So let's go ahead and the paragraph, and we can just type here by this website is going to be very basic, just for beginners, not that great. So let's just align that in the center. I can also show you another way by how we can just add it to the center, but I will use that in the advanced, which is not in this video. I will upload it few days later. Okay, so now we have got that, and we go here, we've got about.html. Now let's go ahead and add a bit in the about.html too. Let's go ahead and copy this. Okay, we need this too, and that. Okay, we'll just copy everything. So far now both of them are same. We'll just add a bit more in the about.html. As you can see, it's about.html. We'll just add a bit more here. We'll just add a few more. Wait, sorry. We will just add a few more because they're going to be the about page. We'll also add a footer maybe. So now you can see that there's still so much text inside this. Alright, and now we can, sorry, so let's go back here, or you know what, we'll put the footer. Okay, so now let's go back to home. So I want something to be here. Let's make a form, as in like you can say like, first of all let's make a div, and also here look at this, quicker ways to do this, dot navbar. Don't need this here, we will need this right here. Okay, we will also add one here, dot, we will need dot, let's see, dot subscription, or let's just and we can add anything in this. So first of all let's go ahead and create a table inside it, and first let's add, first of all we will need to do a border. Okay, now we will go in the table row, and we can add anything inside this. So let's say for example so we have got that. Okay, we have got that, the name tag, and also we are going to we can also put that here. We will need to put that. Let's put a line. Okay, let's put a line. Sure. Yes, we've got a nice line, and let's also create a heading here so that they will know. Let's put it HT, and let's see form, and let's align this to the center. Okay, so now we have got the form and we have got the name. let's just copy this so that it will be quite easier for us. And here I'm going to just type name and let's see, let's type age. Yes. And also what we can do is input, let's create some input type is equals to we will need a text. Okay, so we got one there. But now what we need to do is we want this here inside that. Let's go here. I've got a nice idea. We'll just add that to the table data. And let's go ahead and type text. Okay, so now we have got the name. So we can type anything we want. And I don't want the text inside it like to be like that. So let's also give a class to it. Let's give a class to it, and let's say tr. Okay. So then the class. No, wait. Sorry. We will not interfere in there. We will add a new class, and here we'll add tr. Let's go ahead in here the CSS tr dot tr, and here we'll type font and font family. So now you can see it is changed and it is way better. Okay, now let's add the age to and wait a minute. Let's go on here and we'll add name. Okay, awesome. So now age, we will do the same thing we did there. We put type is equals to text and class is equals to tr. Okay, and now go here again. Now we have got the age. We can put whatever we want, but just to make it a bit okay, instead of text we'll add number here, so that he or she can only add numbers here. So let's try this. So we type the name as Joshi and age. So you can put anything you want, or else you can just directly put it. But we can't add alphabet, so you can see. So now we have also forgot the age. I don't want the form to be there. Let's just not align it to this. Okay, now it's better. So form. Okay, let's just type here form for submission. Okay, so it's a form for submission. Now after the age, let's try gender, and this time we'll put options. And here I'm going to type not age, we'll type gender. Yes, I forgot gender. And here I will just put type is equals to forgot the name of that. Yes, radio. So, and the class should be tr again. So if we can process that, as you can see, we have got the gender but only one. Let's go ahead in the radio. Okay, or else we can. So in the I forgot about the radio command, radio code. So now what we can just do. Yes, I remember. Here we will just do that. Yes. Okay, one more. And we will just type we can type an option. Yes, I remember now. Okay, option. No, wait. We don't need to add this here. It's not radio actually. And let's see, not button, not checkbox. Okay, so let's just keep it to text. Okay, text. Let's just text because I kind of forgot it. I will be honest. So gender is okay. That's done. Gender. You can put male or female. Okay, so now I think so for name, age and gender should be enough. Now we'll directly go with the submit, and for that also we don't need to add that. Wait. Okay, we need to add one table row and here td. So inside this we can just type submit, or let's go ahead and put type is equals to button class tr, and also we will just type wait, got the that. So here, and also, or what we can do is wait. Okay. So here we'll type submit. Wait, we can, or else we can just add a button directly, which will be an easier way. Now as you can see, it's taking it there. Mm. Oh, we can just put it in the gender one. Yes. Just copy this. Okay, and oh, and I also need to take out this. Okay, so we've got that, but now the thing I want is I want it down here. So let's go ahead and make it break. Alright, so we've got the subject. Okay, and we can also give it an a reference and anything you want. So let's also add this form inside the about us.html. Okay. Yes, that should be nice. Yes, let's also put the HR, the line. Oh, alright, and we are done here. So now you can see. So this is a pretty basic website and it looks pretty good for a basic one. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind. And if you want, you can also add more things like the HR here. Alright, and also see that, and one here, HR. So we have got one here and also in the about. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It's free. You can always change your mind, and